Assalamualaikum guys. Today we would like to present the result of our mini project, which is a wind turbine with the concept word to energy. So first I will introduce our group member is
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aina Najha binti Hasmi. My metric number is 01DKA21F1045.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Nazri. I am from class DKA1B. My matrix number is 01DKA21F1046.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Ghazi Ghasani bin Azman. Nombor pendaftaran 01 DKA 21 F1154.
and last but not least, my name is Nur Anisa binti Aznan. My metric number 01DKA21F1159. So I will continue. Today I will share you guys about how to the power work wind turbine use. A wind turbine is a power generating device that drives by the kinetic energy of the wind. Wind turbine work on simple principle instead of using electricity to make a wind like a fan. Wind turbine use wind to make electricity. Wind turn the propeller like blades of a turbine around a rotor which spin a generator which creates electricity. And lastly, a wind turbine turns wind energy into the electricity using DC motor spinning, which work like an airplane wing or helicopter root blades. When a wind flows across the blade, the air pressure on one side of the blade decreases. So next. Here the objective of our mini project. So the project is to build a product using the kinetic energy. This mini project is to share to another student principle of kinetic energy to another student. Kinetic energy and experimentally vertide effect is to show the importance of nature to produce the electricity. Most modern of wind turbine are used for electricity.
Concept of power, energy and work. Power. A wind turbine turns wind energy into electricity using the aerodynamic force from the rotor blades, which work like an airplane wings or helicopter rotor blade. When wind flows across the blade, the air pressure on a side of the blade decreases. The difference in air pressure across the two sides of blade creates both lift and drag. The force of the lift is stronger than the drag, and this causes the rotor to spin. The rotor connects to the generator either directly if it's a direct drive turbine or through a shaft and a series of gearbox that speed up the rotation and allow for a physically smaller generator. This translation of aerodynamic force to rotation of a generator creates electricity. Number 2 is energy. Energy is the ability to perform work. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, and it can only be transformed from one form to other. The unit of energy is the same as of work, is joules. Energy is found in many things, and thus there are different types of energy. The formula of energy is 1 per 2 mv square. The lastly is work. Wind turbine work on a simple principle. Instead of using electricity to make wind, like a fan, wind turbine use wind to make electricity. Winds turn to propeller like blades of turbine around a rotor, which spin a generator, which creates electricity. Formula of work is work equal force times distance.
Okay, thank you, Aina. Next is material and for the material, and this is the list that we use. this is the list of material that we use in our mini project. First is DC motor 12 volts. The second one is stick wood screw. The third one is equipment. The fourth one is cardboard, and the last one is copper wire and LED light 3 volts. For the cost in our mini project is only 7 ringgit Malaysia. Next is procedure. So the procedure we made in a video, so we will share you the video of our procedure. So the first is tool and materials. This is the tool and the material that we use in our mini project. Next is the step of making the wind mine mini project. This is the house piece of the wind mine mini project. Next is we try to connect the wire each other to make the electricity work. As you can see, this one of my friend tried to connect the wire each other to make the electricity work, to make the LED the LED to light on. So this is the result that we get. So we successfully made the LED to light on without any trouble. With the help of the fan, it can make the wind mine to work successfully and make the electricity to make the electricity to make the electric to make uh, make the LED to light on. That's all for me.
Okay, conclusion. This project made me wonder if any fixed field when turbine blade design had been considered and designed specifically for each location. If an appropriate pitch and blade design is selected for the wind speed of a particular location, then more energy can be harnessed from the wind, making for greater efficiency. This question is raised because a functioning fixed field wind turbine does not have the correct pitch and blade design for the location of the desired wind speed, which has been proven by research. As a result of this research, it turns out that wind turbines can produce electricity. Wind turbine related product will be one of the major energy producer in the future. Okey, ini adalah contoh rekaan mini projek kami.